What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Today's video, Google Pixel 6. Time to unbox it and what case I've decided to go with for the Pixel 6. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we go everyone. Here it is, finally, the Pixel 6 in Stormy Black along with the Pixel Buds A series. I've got a bunch of cases and a screen protector video coming soon. If you want to see the screen protector video, make sure you stay subscribed, stick around. That'll be coming next. I'm probably going to fit the Spigen case to this device right now in this video so you can see for yourself what the Ultra Hybrid looks like, because I don't think a dedicated video would do it justice right now. But there's plenty of videos to come with the Pixel 6, with cases, the series, the A series review, and of course the Pixel 6 review and testing out that camera. So, as you can see, Pixel 6, 5G, sub 6, 128 gig, Stormy Black. So let's just get straight into it. You got little pull tabs on the bottom, so you don't need the unboxing knife. Good job, as I don't have it with me. As you know, this is not my normal setup. I've got no light with me, no nothing, because the phone has literally just arrived. It was supposed to be here yesterday, I believe, but it's here now, so that doesn't matter. And there it is, front and center, the Pixel 6 in Stormy Black. Oh, that's going to be a fingerprint magnet. I do like the camera set out. It feels quite nice in the hand. Let's remove this before we do anything else and get it turned on. Okay, there we go. Place that to one side. So, nice black aluminium rails. Screen looks good. Speaker on the top. Speaker on the bottom. USB-C charging port. Power button and volume buttons both on the same side. So let's go ahead, let's get it switched on. And there we go, let's get it turned on. Let's put it out the way. Let's take a little look at what else is in the box. Okay, so let's tip that out. Okay, so you got a little information booklet along with your SIM ejection tool at the back. I'm not going to take this out as normal. We don't read these, so never mind. You get your OTG USB-C to standard USB connector if you want to import data from a different phone. You can even plug in a USB dongle and watch movies, but no one talks about that for some reason, but there we go. Then of course you've got, I'm not going to take it out of the box, a USB-C to USB-C cable. Even though you don't get no charging brick in the box, you can buy it separately, and there's plenty of other companies like Spigen, etc. who do plugs for that. I'll leave some in the description down below this video for you to check out. The Pixel is now on, so let's put this inside the box out the way. Okay, it's got a nice haptic feedback every time this bounces. Don't know if you can see that, but as that bounces there, it's producing haptic feedback through the phone. The screen does look really good. To be honest with you, I mean, I was going to get the Pro, but for £599, you know, what's the point? You're getting a telephoto lens. Okay, yeah, a bigger battery and a better screen, but the screen curves around the edges. I wanted to try something different, as I've got the Z Fold 3, which I'm currently filming on right now if you didn't know, and of course the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But let's get started. Let's skip that step. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up, and then we'll be right back. I'll try the case on, and there's, as I say, plenty more videos to come with this device. So give me 2 seconds, let me get set up, and I'll be right back with you. So while the phone's setting itself up, let me show you the Ultra Hybrid case from Spigen. A little pull tab at the top, you just pull that open, take out the case like so. Take that out. Okay, nothing else in the packet. You get exactly what I was talking about earlier on. This is from Spigen themselves, obviously due to the PowerArc technology they've got the USB-C plugs, so if you need them, there's that. Scan the little QR code and it'll give you more information on those plugs. Okay, so then there's the case. You've got a screen, you've got like a protector on the front and a protector on the rear. So let's go ahead, let's take them out. One, let's take off the other one. I have got, as I say, got more cases coming, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, there's the other one. Okay, so there we go, nice clear case. You've got Spigen branding on the bottom right here. All your cutouts for USB-C charger, your speakers, your mics. Little thing for a lanyard right there at the side, which we're never going to use. Volume rockers, power rocker, microphone at the top, and it's got air cushion technology. So let's go ahead and let's slap the phone inside. And there we go. So there is ultra hybrid speaking case. You can see the fact Stormy black, Google logo, camera cut out at the back right there, and it's protected because of that little lip. Of course, you can lay it down, and you can also lay it down on its front. Okay, so there we go. It's all set up now, as you can see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spend some time putting all my apps on it. There'll be a what's on my Pixel 6 video coming soon. As I say, screen protector video will be going live almost straight away over the next day or so. That'll be going live too, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. But there it is, the new Pixel 6 in Stormy black with the ultra hybrid speaking case on it. It does feel good. I do like it. As I say, more cases still to come, so stay tuned for them videos, guys. But thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub, turn on those notifications, and I will see you in the next one, which is almost going to be instantly while I get to grips with it.